this a chip? Is this software? Who's the customer?
All right. So taking the sequence that you talked about, the market transition is the cloud. What Pensando does in its ecosystem, very simply, is they're pushing compute, storage, networking, security, the apps, big data, driving off a lot of the major tech trends, 5G, et cetera, into the cloud. As that occurs, it gives the opportunity, what Pensando does, to create for each company their own customized version of the cloud systems. In other words, really to make it work very uniquely. We have yet to miss with any enterprise service provider, cloud player in the world when we sit down and say what we do. Now, for your listeners, Sony, we talked about the iOS from Apple and the Android being a good example of exactly what we're doing. Put it in those type of terms, if you would.
Very simply put, if you look at the trends that Apple has been pursuing with the iPhone and all the iOS software, starting all the way from the chip all the way to the software and the device is something that only Apple and Apple's customers get to consume. We are the equivalent of the Android platform, which is open, which allows the whole ecosystem to play, and the chip and the software would run on standard off-the-shelf compute infrastructure, whether it's built by cloud customers or whether it's taken by enterprise customers.
So who are you taking share from? Whose wallet is the money going to come out of? Are you trying to get cloud providers like Microsoft to build this into Azure infrastructure, and that's how you're making money? You're trying to get HP to build this into service? Is that how you're making money? Where does the money come from?
It's a combination of the two. Today's announcement really is about having customers like Hewlett-Packard, which will be a strategic investor and a go-to-market partner for their enterprise customers. So those customers would be able to acquire this technology in HPE infrastructure and enable them to go build that cloud architecture. At the same time, cloud customers have also validated this architecture, as a result of which you will see announcements that are part of our overall customers that we have added, including Oracle Cloud and Equinix, that also want to have the ability to take this into their cloud environments.
I think what you're looking at is a whole new category of opportunities here. Our addressable market today is about $40 billion a year. The ones who get hit first are the appliance players, the silo players, the firewalls, the VPNs, the load balancers, because we'll consolidate that. It's a software play on top of silicon. Where it goes is it gives these companies a chance to innovate. The products we've built are 5 to 10 times the performance of Amazon. Not 50 or 100%, 500% to 1,000. Then you suddenly give control so these companies can innovate much faster, use their technology to combine it with business models as everything moves into the cloud. So it is that Android example. Think of us as a platform that powers choice, and a very well-run, extremely dominant company in Amazon that we're kind of challenged a little bit to give everybody choice and selection on where they go, and innovation.